So I made mini vanilla cakes in just 5 minutes, and it was very quick, easy, and delicious. And as we barely 2 months until Christmas, you should just add this recipe to your list and you won't regret it. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Thank you. So in a bowl, I'll start by adding some eggs, and I use two large eggs for this recipe. Afterwards, I added caster sugar. You can as well use granulated sugar, and that's okay. But caster sugar has finer crystals and they melt easily. I'll then proceed and add some vegetable oil and 2 tablespoons of vanilla bean paste. You can as well use vanilla extract, and that's okay. So when I'm done, I'll whisk roughly for 3 to 4 minutes or until it turns pale or creamy. All ingredients used are listed in the description box, so do check. So I added a cup of cake flour, but you can as well use plain flour for this recipe. But you would need to add a teaspoon of baking powder. That's when using plain flour, and then you would sift afterwards. And I added a teaspoon of nutmeg and then mixed everything using my hand mixer. When it gets to this point, you need to make sure not to overmix your batter. So if you're not too sure, you can as well use your spatula to mix and it will turn out perfectly as well. I'll add 40 grams butter and some milk and microwave it for 2 minutes maximum, and I'll add it back to my cake batter and mix everything. If you've watched this far and you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe to others. Add the hot milk to the batter and mix everything nicely till it's combined. So if you don't want the mini cakes, you can as well bake it and it will turn out beautifully. So I'm sure you're just thinking, what if you don't have a cake maker? Well, you can as well use a donut maker and it will turn out beautifully. So I just preheated it and added some oil, and now I'm adding the butter. This takes 3 minutes, but if you want it a bit brown, you would have to wait for 5 to 6 minutes roughly. Also, do not overfill it or it will spill, and that's a lot of work. And I got 26 mini cakes for this recipe. So if you're still here watching, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. I just finished with the first batch and it turned out beautifully. It was so nice that they finished within a blink. So when you try this recipe, please don't forget to give a feedback on Instagram. We'll be very pleased to know. I have a similar recipe and it's also very soft and moist. You should check it out. And if you enjoyed or watched till the very end, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. And as you can see, it was very soft as well. I'll see you in my next upload. Bye.